Welcome all. In this section, we will discuss about POS module. POS is an unique application of the Odoo, which is working on both online as well as offline. Point of sale fully integrated with inventory and accounting application. One of the main feature of point of sale is that it can operate in offline mode. So let's take a look on how it work in POS. From here, you can click on point of sale. Here you can see the section. Hereby we can simply start our section checking by new section, and this is a view and a reporting under orders and section. From clicking orders, we can see the corresponding orders from this section, and also we can configure the each individual sections by here settings. And next we can create a new product in this POS module. From here you can see the products. Here some existing other products are, you can see the here create a new product. You can enter a product name. Choose a table. From here can shoot a storable product. Also you can enter the sales price. Also you can choose a customer tax. If we want to see the product in point of sale, from here you can see the point of sale option. Just click and you can tick the available in POS. After that you can see the products in point of sale. From here you can choose a category in this product. This is a table, so I choose a home furniture. So I choose, and the next is we can add a picture for this product. From here you can see the button and add a product, add a picture in this. Now you can see the picture, and the next is save the product. Now you can see the products in this existing products, and then next we can create another one products. Washing machine. Also you can select the product name, can enter the sales price, also tax. The next is available in post. Can check the tick, and the next is category. This is a washing machine, so I choose an home appliance. We can this is create a new category from here. From here you can see the create a new category in this product. So I choose home appliances. Next is parent category. You can choose the create a new parent category like home, also is home appliances. Can save the button, create a new category. From here you can see the new category is home appliances, and next is you can add a new picture from this product. You can choose the picture. Next is save the product. Now you can see the add a new product in this. You can see the now next there is a group by the products, all group products. From here you can see the group by. and the add a custom group. We can choose a point of sale category. From here, you can see the different category like home appliances, home furniture. You can see the different products like under this home care appliances and home furniture. So this is the creation of products of new products. So the next thing is we can create a we can order new for go for the and you can choose the new section. You can see the new section. You just click that. Now you can see the all products from here. We can choose the products. You can see the products. We can see the different category: home appliances, home furniture. You can select so all items are there. You can select from here. I choose two products. From here, we can order another products like this. So this another order, and from here you can I choose two products, and the next is we can create a bill for this point of sale. Can create a new payment method. You can choose a customer from here that this is existing customers. We can create a new customer from here. We can create a new customer. We can add a name. You can add another details of this customer. After that, you can just click on the save button. From here is the creation of customer for this point of sale. You can set a customer, and the next is this a payment method, cash or bank. I choose a cash, and from here we can enter manually in this amount. You can see the customer name. Next is validate. Now you can see the bill of the point of sale for this product. This is the we can made the bill. The next is the next we can order the next order. Also, this is the process of creating the bill of point of sale. So thank you.